Okay, so last minute I decided to show you guys. So this is, I put a little bit of oil. I cut up an onion, a white onion, and then I cut up some bacon, and I'm trying to crisp up the bacon a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna get any crispier than that. I feel like it's fine. We just really want the juices of that. And then I put this, we're making collard greens, by the way. I put some adobo, I sprinkled it earlier. I also put this complete seasoning. And then my family, we really like hot stuff, so I added a little bit of cayenne pepper. And then we mixed it up. Okay, excuse my mess from breakfast. So now we are going to add some chicken broth into the pot. You're just gonna put the whole thing in there. It was on high earlier, now it's just on medium. And I'll probably just keep it on medium the whole time. But this is a super easy recipe. I really just felt like eating this today. So, well, I bought this stuff yesterday and I was gonna make it yesterday, but I got lazy. And so I'm just making it today. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, but this is gonna I'm gonna leave it on medium, let it simmer. And in the meantime, I'm going to clean the greens. I'll show you guys that in just a second. Okay, so these are the greens that I buy. They're already cut up. It says it's triple washed, but I still wash it just because, I don't know, I like to. So I'm gonna clean this little by little. It seems like a lot, but once you put it in the pan and cook it up, it gets to be basically nothing. So I will make this whole bag. And guys, this stuff makes you go to the bathroom very regular. So yeah, keep that in mind. When you season this, season with your soul, whatever, it's fine. Don't put too much seasoning, because while it sits in the pot and cooks, because it slowly cooks, it will get saltier. So when it's almost done, that's when it's a good time to taste it. Make sure that it's good and you know it's tasting like you want it to when you're about to pull it out, because that's when that's the saltiest it'll be. I forgot to put pepper, so I'm gonna do that. I forgot to mention, you also put minced garlic while you're cooking the onions and stuff. And then you just cover it and leave it on medium till it's done. That's it. That's it. You're done with this. My kid.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
Okay, so don't judge my mess. Everything else has stayed organized if you've watched my organizing videos, but yeah, you know, cooking stuff, you just be in a hurry. And why am I not speaking proper English? You're just in a hurry sometimes, and you know, it gets messy. But anyways, and stuff doesn't fit, and sometimes I just don't even bother. Anyways, what am I seasoning with? Okay, I like to spray everything with a little bit of oil so that all the seasoning can stick. I always use cayenne pepper for everything because this household likes spicy. We're gonna do some adobo, some complete, and we need, what is the onion powder and garlic. There you are. I'm thinking this is what we're gonna use. I like using tongs to move it around because I don't want to wash my hands for the 20,000th time.
At all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
So my husband decided he wanted barbecue sauce on his chicken. I don't, so
I do.
we did his little side and then everyone else. Before I forget to show you guys, here's the collard greens. They're so good. I don't think I'm making anything else. I'm being lazy. So it's collard greens and chicken. Okay, so we are going to be making shrimp pasta today. Putting salt and some oil to the noodles. And this is my choice of noodle. You guys can use whatever you have in your pantry, but I've been loving this noodle. My kids are loving it. So now that the water's sort of boiling, I'm gonna just go ahead and add this. I like to keep my dinners super easy. I don't want to give myself more work than I have to, because what's the point in that, right? I have 2 bags of these shrimps. They're peeled and deveined already, and then they have the tail. I like to buy them without the tail so I don't have to complicate my life, but I'm about to get my hands frozen because I didn't take this out. I just decided to do this last minute. I've been doing laundry and cleaning all day, so yeah. I'm about to freeze my hands getting this. Don't overflow. Okay, I use this thing for everything, guys. I used to think it was just like for breakfast and stuff, but you can use it for literally anything. Okay, so I'm going to just do very basic seasonings. No, I'm not turning this on just yet because it heats up very fast. Okay, so let's do, my pasta's almost done, so I gotta hurry. Garlic. Onion powder, garlic powder. My favorite, slap your mama. I'm heavy-handed, so I need to relax. Give that a little stir. I'm gonna add a little bit of complete. Okay, that's good. That's good. Turn this on. Let's just do 325. Okay, so this is done. Let me take it out. So that is done. Put it to the side. I'm gonna put this on medium high. let me grab my stuff. So these are the things that you'll need. A can of Alfredo, Parmesan and Romano cheese, petite diced tomatoes, heavy whipping, or you can use a little bit of milk and slap your mama. I like saying that. Okay, so first, this takes 5 seconds, guys. Whoa, 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 that's too high. Oh my goodness. Relax, sauce. Then you're gonna put the can. My kids and my husband don't like tomatoes. But I just, the sauce ends up good, and then I just eat the tomatoes myself. But it's just little tiny pieces. They don't even notice it half the time. But if they, most of the time, just take it out. Okay, and then you're gonna put some, slap your mama. Add just a little bit of the heavy whipping. And then some of the Parmesan. And then you just mix it. And you're done. And then you just, you know, taste it when you're done mixing it. So you can see if it needs more seasoning. So I'm gonna use some of my spray. I feel like that's probably too high. Yeah.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
That are done, I'm gonna just toss in here.
Too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's some.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add the sauce.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie.
Okay, so that is the pasta. Now I just, while I serve everyone, I just sprinkle a little bit of cheese, and that's it. That's how simple this pasta is, so you guys should definitely try it.
Charlie, what was that you were saying?
It tastes really good.
How's your dinner, honey?
Amazing. 5-star.
He put his muffin, listen guys, I don't know. Then they put barbecue sauce. They're weird like that, but me and Chatty are the normal ones.
Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me. I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about. And I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Something about the way she laughs and the way way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head?
Now you add a little bit of sugar on the top so that it can have like a little crispy, like a crunch, not a crispy, a crunch.
Can't stop looking at her smile. Then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
Okay, it's done, it's done. Take it out. Pure perfection. Ooh la la. Okay, don't judge me how I take them out. I like to do it with my hands. And I burn myself every time. But, whew.
One of my t-shirts, so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress?
Okay, now let them cool off.
And you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.